Hey there! In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install Daz Studio, the Install Manager, and Hexagon. If you're wondering to yourself, what is Daz Studio? What can it do? If I had to break it down and put it into simple terms, I would say the 3D suite of Daz Studio and Hexagon allows users to model, render, and animate for free. To get started, let's open up a new browser and navigate to www.daz3d.com. If you have any other questions, you can find answers to most of these questions by navigating down below and scrolling through these different topics. Once you're ready to begin the installation process, let's scroll up back to the top, and then let's click this blue button right here for free download. From this page, you will need to enter in the following information on the screen to set up your account. Once you've done this, you can click Submit, or you can log in if you already have an account set up. Once you've confirmed your email, a tab will open and a download should automatically start within your browser. Now that the download is complete, you will need to set up and accept the end user license agreement and define where you want the install manager to be installed to on your computer. To do this, we're going to just click through these steps here. If we wanted to change where these files install to and make it to a custom path, we would define that path here. Now we're ready to install the install manager. This is the Daz Install Manager, or DIM for short. DIM allows you one simple way to manage all of your content library. Once DIM has been installed, you will need to enter in the same login credentials that you set up for your account a few minutes ago. Once you log in, your content library should begin to install automatically in the Ready to Download tab. If the download doesn't automatically begin, you can check this white box here next to Products and click the green Add to Queue. It's also very helpful to check this box down here for Install After Download. The Install Manager is built of three components: files that need to be downloaded under the Ready to Download tab, files that are ready to install in the Ready to Install tab, and then once a file is installed, it'll appear in the Installed tab. This window specifically is saying that we don't have a path defined for Photoshop 3D Bridge. The Photoshop Bridge allows compatibility between Photoshop and Daz 3D. Unless you plan on using Photoshop, you don't need to worry about defining this path. If you do intend to use Photoshop, we can see here under Ready to Install that the install has failed. This is going to stay in the Ready to Install tab until we define a path for it. And I'll be showing you how to do that in a separate video. So for now, let's hop back into our Installed tab. We can see here that Daz Studio has installed. If we go to the desktop, we can see that a shortcut has been made for Daz Studio. Let's launch it up by double-clicking on the icon. Once we've launched up Daz Studio, we can choose to either work offline or to connect our account. If this is your first time ever using Daz Studio, I would recommend that you get started by launching the interactive tutorials from this screen. The interactive tutorials are lessons designed to teach you the basics of Daz Studio as well as to familiarize you with the process. They're incredibly helpful for new users. Now that we have the Install Manager and Daz Studio installed, let's finish things off with Hexagon. The important thing to note with Hexagon is that it will actually install with the Install Manager, just like Daz Studio, but there is another step that we have to follow for Hexagon that we don't have to do for Daz Studio. To do this, let's hop back on over to the Daz Store. From here, I'm going to click this little blue icon in the top right corner and go to My Account when I'm logged in. If you're not logged in, you'll have to enter in your login information here. Once we're in our account page, we're going to first go under Serial Numbers and take note of the Hexagon 2.5 serial number. Now let's go back to our desktop and find the Hexagon application and double click it to launch it up. And finally, to wrap things up, this is where that serial number is going to come in handy. From this window we can paste or we can type it in manually. If you paste your serial number, however, be sure to make sure there are no spaces at the end, as that'll throw off validating the serial number. Now that the serial number has been validated, we can use Hexagon. Alright guys, that wraps things up for this video. Now that you have your hands on the Daz Studio suite, you have the tools at your disposal to begin modeling, animating, and rendering. So go create something awesome. I'll see you in the next video.